Hello, good morning. All are welcome for my industrial safety awareness program. I am Sadashivan, safety trainer. You may be knowing me. Lost so many days. I used to come here and giving you safety oriented subjects. First 10 video I have given you for this general safety awareness. Then I have given 20 videos on basic fire safety awareness, then 20 videos on electrical safety awareness. Now we have come to the industrial safety awareness. For that already I have given 8 video. Today is my 9th video. So this is a continuous education program I used to give every alternate days, that is Monday, Wednesday and Friday. This is not only for safety person, any person, those who are working in industry, definitely this will be having helpful for you. For that purpose only I am sharing my knowledge to everybody. Okay, last class what I have discussed you means what are the hazardous materials. Hazardous materials, what are there? This has been classified into 9 category. Everything I have explained it. But today we are going to learn a new subject. What is a new subject? That is, what are the safety acts in India? There are some safety rules, regulation and act. These are there. So we are just going to learn important safety rules and welfare facilities available. Welfare rules also we can say that available in India. So this portion we are going to discuss today. So before going to discussion, I am just requesting you, if you like the class, please share it and subscribe it. The first safety act in India is Factory Acts 1948. Factory Acts 1948. This has been applicable on from 1st April 1949 onwards. You may be knowing that earlier our country was ruled by British, so they have made some factory rules there. So we have also adopted the same rules. Some with every year, some not every year, but with amendment frequently. This is so first it was implemented in 1949, first April onwards. What are the important key points mean? This is one for the welfare working hours of the people. Those who are working in the industry, there are regulations that working hours has been limited to 8 hours. Earlier, the people, those who are working in industry, that working hours has not limited to 8 hours. This has been implemented, and this rule has been implemented in this Factory Act 1948. Then there is also another focus on working conditions of the people, the environment conditions in the working, whatever there, the sufficient light should be there, sufficient humidities, ventilation, all this point has been covered in the second focus on second condition, so that safety can be achieved in a better way. The third thing is focused on mainly on the welfare facilities. What are the minimum welfare facilities required in the work area? This thing has been focused in the third point, actually third mainly. So this is mainly covered that I am not going to discuss very detailed in the Factory Act 1948. I am just giving you some brief introductions only. This is one is the working hours, then employment, working areas for employment or working area. Next one is welfare facilities. These three things are mainly focused. We will take in a little class for this Factories Act 1948. Then next one is Employee State Insurance Act 1948. Employee State Insurance Act, ESI. ESI. What do you mean by ESI? This is as welfare facilities. Those who are working in the industries and other thing, they may be getting sick there. At that time, there is a sick leave, and also if they are sick for prolonged more than 1 month or any other thing, their salary should be protected. At least some salary should be given. So such a program was started in the year 1948. That also in this scheme, This is a 1:2 ratio. Some money employer also has to provide, and employee also has to provide there. Accordingly, a fund has been for set up. This fund with insurance company, insurance has used for this welfare facilities of the company. Here, what are the facilities we are going to get is one is a sick leave. Those suppose somebody is working there and suddenly got some illness there. The sick facilities has been covered, so they can go to the doctor and give the medicine. Then another one is medical facilities, maternity facilities is there, disability facilities is there. Suppose somebody is working there, some disability so occur there, then also that facilities is given. And also this funeral, suppose somebody got death in the funeral facility. So such as so many schemes are provided in this ESI scheme. This is the benefit of the workers, those who are working in the industry. Next one is Workmen Compensations Act 1943. So you may be asking a question that what is the difference between workmen compensation and ESI? ESI is covered general welfare facilities like sick and medical, maternities and other type of medical only. But suppose somebody is working in the organization, he loses any of the organ, maybe some finger loss is there or hand loss is there. Such a condition has to be compensated. Another rule has been set. Another, that is Workmen Compensation Act. So according to this act, those who lost or during the working time they lost their organ, a good amount compensation will be getting, because the next so many life he has to carry out without that organ. So on that basis only this rule has been set at the Workmen Compensation Act. These are the three main rules in the industrial area mainly. In addition to that, there is a general insurance scheme is also there. That is group insurance, we can say that. Suppose so many people are working in the industry, every people some amount is collecting and put it in the insurance scheme. And suppose somebody got any emergency condition, death or any accidents or anything is there, so they can get a huge amount from this. Suppose the person itself is want to take such an insurance, he has to pay very huge amount. That was group insurance scheme is there. Some companies has been set up. So these are the schemes normally available in any industry, most of the industry. One is they are applicable. Factory Act 1948, ESI Act 1948, or ESI scheme, we can say ESI. So then Workman Compensation Act, then Group Insurance Scheme. These are the general scheme for most of the workers in the industry. In addition to, there is those who are working in the mines. There's a separate rules is there. Mine rule is not covered in the Factory Act. This another mine rules is there. Similarly, dock workers rule is there. Similarly, building and other construction people, there's a separate rules are there. So all these are covered in Indian industries for a separate. What I have, but we have just explained here mainly the rules which are applicable for general industries only. So as I mentioned again that dock workers, factories that mines, building and other construction area. So there are so many other rules are also applicable. So for the so these are just for general information only. I hope that you got some little knowledge about the schemes which are applicable in India. As I used to tell you, if you like this class, please share it, subscribe it. I will come with another subject on next class. Okay, wishing you all of you a good day. Good day means happy, healthy and safety. Thank you to everybody. Okay, bye.